Are you getting this error when you play the GTA 5? Then don't worry, I got an easy fix for you. I have given the link in description. You have to download these files. Download them and then go to the folder and extract the files. After you have extracted them, copy all of the files and search for this location and paste these files here. I have also given the location in the description, you can check there. And now when you play the game, it will start. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.